CDSCO for many years, and now I've been the chairperson for the past 4 or 5 years. And we have a very enterprising lady amongst our midst who's been the founder of beauty and has been instrumental in educating beauticians and bringing our beauty business to a very cultured level. We also specialize in spa, so that's why with wellness we are very happy to be associated. And may I call upon Mrs. Maya Paranjpe, who has been the founder of beauty in India, I would say, as well as the founder of our association, which is the only association affiliated with CDSCO. CDSCO will only have one section in the whole world in India. So we have other sections, and I think we are in 65 countries. And Mayata is going to get an award next year when we have CDSCO Congress in India. And we are going to get an award this year for the excellent work we have done in education. So Mayata. Thank you.
Thank you, Seema. Welcome everybody. What is ABTC? Is the Association of Beauty Therapy and Cosmetology India. Today we are doing the Wellness Day, but the association has been there from 1986, and association has been training and skilling practically in all aspects of wellness, starting from beauty, body therapy, spa therapy, aromatherapy, fitness, nutrition, everything. We have started by the initiative by Mrs. Joan Thornycroft, who was the president of CDSCO at that time, and she was the kind of a founder member for the perhaps the first destination spa in foots of Himalayas, that is Anando, and that she has traveled all throughout. She has been giving the lectures and demonstration, and also the examiner for my school for British. She realized that the country has got a tremendous potential, but there are very little skill involved with the people. She initiated me to start the organization, and luckily for me in 85 there were all the big names in Bombay.
प्रत्येकाच्या आयुष्यामध्ये एकदा सकाळी उठल्याच्या नंतर प्रत्येकाला असं वाटत असतं की आपला दिवस चांगला गेला पाहिजे, परंतु ज्यावेळेस दिवस हा संपण्याच्या पोझिशन मध्ये येतो त्यावेळेस आपण मागे जाऊन जरा दिवसाचं महत्त्व जाणून घेत असतो, आणि जाणून घेतल्याच्या नंतर मग वाटत असतं की आपला दिवस काय चांगला गेला नाही. आणि म्हणून या ग्लोबल वेलनेस डेचं वाढतं महत्त्व, आणि म्हणून पार्लर आणि स्पा जसं माया परांजपेंनी सांगितलं की एवढ्याशाच मर्यादित या गोष्टी नसून, काही ट्रीटमेंटच्याच मर्यादित या गोष्टी नसून आपल्याला एक वाइड व्यू
and exercise and everything. I would like to advocate the fact that music is a huge and a wonderful therapy. So जब आप sad होते हैं तो आप म्यूजिक सुने, कुछ हैप्पी म्यूजिक सुनेंगे, it will definitely elevate you. जब आपको एनर्जी चाहिए, you can listen to some energetic songs and it will definitely energize you. I will demonstrate that with my guitar. I know I feel that from the audience. जब भी मैं perform करती हूँ live, I feel that energy exchange and I see people getting exhilarated and enthused. So yes, music is very, very effective in your holistic well-being and your wellness. So it's great for meditation.
To be happy is very easy. Just get up in the morning, put your radio on. I have 3 radios at my house. One in the kitchen, one in the bedroom, one in the living room. They give me music. They make me alive. They make me feel dance, jumping around, shouting, singing, lot of laughing, clapping. That's what starts the morning. That makes me happy. I do my yoga. I don't know what yoga is, to be very frank. I sit down, meditate. I spend 20-25 minutes with me. Just on my floor. I do little exercise. Look at me. Just look at me and be happy. That's what I want to spare. It is awareness I want to bring it to you. To be happy makes others happy also. Let us spread it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you.